Okay. I need people to stop calling me a cat. Please get that done. Quick. That's the only asset I need. Coming into book outfit so Zeta can sniff you. Can we stop about the book sniffing? That was like 25 years ago or something. Like 200 years ago. 3,000 years ago. Old books smell nice. Really? Wait! BGM! You didn't tell me there was BGM. BGM なかったね。なんで教えてくれないの? You guys are okay with no BGM, but isn't that like a podcast or something? It feels more like a podcast, right? Is that okay? You prefer it? No BGM is best. How about like lower sounding BGM? How about this low? How's this? I don't want people to hear me breathing. I'm self-conscious about me breathing. Kidding. Breathing ASMR. Do you mean purring? I don't think I can purr. Let me try. I used to be able to, but nowadays I can't anymore. I can't do it anymore. I used to be able to. Which one though? Special week? No offense to Special week. I love her.